Hello, my name is Axelio Rodriguez Pompeyo. It's now the present, the diagram, the Synchrograph. Synchrograph. Synchrograph is a training platform based on artificial intelligence. I mean, after recovery and development of cognitive abilities. Okay, it's step one to enter the Synchrograph website. The content, uh, cognitive diagnostics. It's a step second. Okay, cognitive diagnostics. Uh, it's the content one of the psychologists will contact you to assess the presence of attention deficit symptoms and establish a cognitive diagnosis. Okay, it's a step two. Next, step three, start of training with Synchrolab. If Synchrolab were the right training for your child, the Synchrolab therapist will prescribe the product and tell you how to use it. Okay, it's step 3, start of training with Synchrolab. Next, step 4, it's remote evaluation review. Okay, after a month, they will contact you to see the evolution and adherence of your child. Okay, it's step 4, the evolution. Finally, step 5, post-trained remote cognitive assessment. Okay, each step, once the training is finished, you will have a consultation in which they will explain the evolution and final results of your child. Okay? Finally, step 5 is post-training remote cognitive assessment. Okay? I hope this information will help you. Thank you very much. See you later.